So Wendy's offers a breakfast version of their iconic Baconator sandwich, but instead of 2 beef patties, you get a sausage patty and an egg, and it's all topped with a cheese sauce. And just one Breakfast Baconator has 730 calories. Well, what if we could make our own homemade version that has over 300 fewer calories than the one from Wendy's? You want to find out? It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds through mindful eating and daily walking. I also have a passion for food, and I'm sharing some recipes with you guys that are lean, low-calorie, high-protein that can help both with weight loss and muscle gain. So, the Wendy's Baconator. Last week, I tackled the classic Baconator, but I know they also have the Breakfast Baconator. To be honest, I've never had it, but the ingredients seem pretty simple: sausage, egg, cheese, bacon, and some kind of cheese sauce. I decided I'm gonna make my own version. I have tried it, I like it, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. This Breakfast Baconator comes in at 425 calories, which is over 300 fewer than the real deal. It also has 37 grams of protein, which will help keep you feeling full. It's not quite as high in protein as some of the other recipes I've shared, but it's still more than your average protein shake, and it's gonna be delicious. Anyway, I'm hungry, I want breakfast, I want bacon. Let's get cooking. So we're gonna take 3 ounces of turkey breakfast sausage and just form this into a square-shaped patty because it's a Wendy's recipe. And Wendy's does everything in the square shape. Not necessary for taste, just for aesthetic. If you saw my Baconator video, you noticed I extended the corners a bit. That's because I was working with beef. Now turkey, you may get a little bit of shrinkage, but not nearly as much as you do with beef. So I'm not gonna worry about making this like super pointy,
hypocycloid.
super pointy corners, because I don't think we're gonna have a ton of shrinkage. All right, that looks pretty good. I'd say that's square enough to work with. Now let me wash my hands, we'll prep our bun, and then we'll go ahead and start cooking. This is a quick, easy one, guys. As usual, I've got a keto culture hamburger bun because these are only 50 calories per bun. And I've got my I can't believe it's not butter spray because this is a 0-calorie spray. I mean, it says 0 calorie, there's gotta be some calories in here, but it's pretty dang low as far as calories go. And we're good to go. Now let's go ahead and start cooking. First, we'll toast the bun, spray a little of this butter-flavored cooking spray, just to help so it doesn't stick, although with the cast iron that I'm using, it probably wouldn't stick, but I like to make extra sure. Let that toast, it'll just take a moment. I might go ahead and press a little bit on the bottom bun, but I don't think I'm gonna do, I pressed the top bun down a bit before, and it flattened out too much for visually pleasing reasons. So you can smush the heck out of the top bun if you want, but I wanna leave it looking a little bit fluffier so it doesn't look quite so squashed. See how this is looking. Oh, that's already toasted. Yeah, that's good. All right, I'll go ahead and move this onto this little tiny plate. I have the little plate just for the sake of displaying it in these videos. I don't normally eat off of this tiny plate, but it's nice to have because it makes it look all fancy. All right, bun's done. Let's go ahead and cook the other stuff. The bacon I'm using is Smithfield fully cooked bacon because this is 60 calories for 3 slices. So I'm gonna do 3 slices. Now I'm a little disappointed in this batch of bacon because it's thicker, or it's wider, but it's not quite as long as the stuff I used last time. Still the same amount of bacon, but I wanted longer strips because it makes it a little bit easier to break them in half. This here is a little bit longer. Now I'm putting it on the griddle just for a few seconds because it's already cooked. I just want to crisp it up a tiny bit. So after a few seconds, I'm already flipping it. Doesn't take long, literally just takes a few seconds. I don't want to overdo it because it might get a little too crispy. I don't want it super crispy. I mean, it's up to you, whatever your preferences are, obviously. I don't want it crunchy. A little bit of a crisp. I don't want it super crunchy. All right, I think that's good enough. That's right about where I want it. Not overdone. There we go. All right, now we'll do our sausage and our egg. Just gonna put a tiny bit of black pepper on the sausage patty just because that's how I like it. Spray. There's already that bacon grease on there. I just like to make sure. All right, sausage. There we go. I've already cracked my egg into a bowl because I didn't want to risk cracking and making a big mess all over. I've got one of these silicone egg rings just so I can get a nice rounded shape. I'm gonna spray the inside of this as well because I don't want my egg sticking to it. And I'm getting it all over my hands. I'm a mess. It's all right. As the saying goes, bit of a mess, but doing my best. All right, well, hopefully this won't spill out. I'm gonna try to hold the edges of this down as I put the egg in. All right, good. I think I managed to keep it from spilling out everywhere. It's hot, but it's working. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt and pepper to this egg. Here's our pepper. Now while these are cooking, let me go ahead and prep the cheese sauce that we're gonna top it with. Now I don't know exactly what the Wendy's cheese sauce is. I haven't even had it, but a lot of sauces are mayo based. So I've got a little bit of mayonnaise. I got 4 grams of mayonnaise here. I'm taking a slice of Velveeta. These are the 35 calorie Velveeta slices. And just taking half a slice, I'm gonna tear it up, just put it in here. It seems a little weird, but I'm gonna melt this in the microwave and just stir it up, just to melt it and make it into a sauce that we top our burger with. Our breakfast sausage burger. All right, I think these are ready to flip, so let me go ahead and flip these. Let's get the egg first, because that's probably already pretty close to being done. Whoop. All right, yeah, that's looking nice. And while the other side's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and melt that sauce. I'm gonna put it in for 15 seconds in the microwave. I'm doing today's recipe extra quickly. I want it to be fresh and enjoy it while it's still hot. All right, after 15 seconds in the microwave, that is already super melty. Mix it all together. I'm just gonna take this stuff and spread it on the top bun while it's still a sauce. I don't want it to thicken up. All right. I think these are just about cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and top them with some fat-free American cheese. This is different from the Velveeta. This is just fat-free American. A little lower in calorie. Velveeta, 35 calories per slice. The fat-free American is 30. Just a tad fewer calories, and I'm gonna add our bacon. You will have bacon on your Baconator, won't you? All right, got our bacon on there. Just cover this for a moment to help it melt, and then we're gonna assemble and enjoy. All right, let's go ahead and get this assembled. Take the sausage. There we go. And the egg. Then just add our top bun, and voila, a breakfast Baconator. All right, I can't wait to try this thing out. Let's enjoy. Well, here it is, a homemade Wendy's style breakfast Baconator that has over 300 fewer calories than the real thing. It's got 37 grams of protein, it's got cheese, bacon, egg, sausage, all the good stuff you want, and I'm hoping it tastes pretty good. No, I know it tastes good. I already made one before. And I am ready to enjoy a second one. So, without further ado, let me give this thing a shot. Oh, yes. Yes. Fantastic. I mean, that cheese is melted, real egg, real turkey sausage, real pork bacon, not turkey bacon. What else could you ask for? Maybe pork sausage, but come on, we got to cut some calories somewhere. And we did. We cut over 300 from the actual Wendy's version. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to thecogisshred. I'll be posting more videos like this, as well as other things related to my weight loss and fitness journey. Now, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast, so yeah, you go make one and you enjoy yours as well. All right, take care, everyone. Do you see this? Do you see this? Sorry, I just get really excited about food. Keep on eating, everybody.